And welcome back, Math Wizards of Virtual Room 502. Let's get started on our concept development part 2. Okay, Benny gets $5 a week for allowance. That's a lot of money when I was a kid. After saving his money for 20 weeks, how much more does Benny need to buy a bike that costs $108? And we can already see the two-parter developing here. So let's figure out what's going on, shall we? Okay. So first thing we got to do is figure out how much Benny makes or has after 20 weeks. Okay, so here we go. I'm not going to make 20. We're just going to make one of these little guys. Maybe we could make 20. Nah, $5. Okay, so this is going to represent altogether 20 weeks. And I don't want to go make all those little pieces. That's just a little too crazy. But this gives us a good idea of what our multiplication is going to be all about. Okay, it's going to be 5 times 20, right? $5, 20 weeks. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the multiplication first. 20 times 5. Okay, 20 times 5, that's kind of a big problem. Let's use some parentheses. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, okay, I'll take the 2 times 10, that equals 20. I know that, times 5. But now pardon me, 10 times 2 times 5. That's how I want to do it. Okay, so now I'm thinking to myself, okay, I can deal with this with parentheses. I could do the 2 times 5 because I know what that is, and then I can say, okay, I'm left with a 10 over here. So what's 2 times 5? 5, 10, stop. It is 10. So we have 10 here and our 10 here, and it's 10 times 10. Well, we know what 10 tens are, right? We've done that enough. 100, right? We can also think, okay, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 zeros in the problem, and I wind up with 100. So now Benny has $100 after working all this time. So I could continue on. I could make another bracket and show $95, but I think we get the hint that it's $100 he has. Part 2 of our problem, we take the bike, which is $108 that Benny wants to buy, and we subtract the money he's earned, right? Because the bike's 108, he's earned 100. He doesn't have too many weeks to wait. I'm going to put my dollar sign there. 8 minus 0 is 8. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it looks like Benny only needs $8. Benny needs $8 because we read very carefully, didn't we? We drew, did some math, and now it's time to write. Benny needs $8 to buy the brand new bicycle that he's going to love so much as he rides down the street in his banana seat and high handlebars. Maybe he has a little flare going off the back or something like that. Who knows what Benny's going to do? All I know is it'll be exciting. All right, time for once again a little break. Just go run around the block, do some jumping jacks. Not a 5-minute break, not a 10-minute break. Get a drink of water, use the restroom, and come on back for concept development part 3. Someone's trying to get a hold of Mr. Leggett. Who could it be? Could it be anybody that I really need to talk to? Nope.